everybody, Nikki here with MascaraGeek.com. I'm here with another curly girl video, and for today we're going to have my helper Haley, my daughter, and she is going to be our model for a protein mask. Now, Haley we are in the midst of the curly girl method and training her curls. I'll show you in a minute, but Haley has really tight curls underneath, and then on top her hair is kind of straight, but we're getting there. So a protein mask is really going to help to bring those curls out and to give them that zip that they need. All right, so in my mask, I've got it here in my food processor. I've put 2 egg whites, because I'm going to do this on my hair after too. 2 egg whites, 2 avocados, about a 1/4 cup of honey, and then I happen to also have some roses. So I put some rose petals in there too, because rose petals have really good restorative and astringent qualities to them, and they're very good for skin and hair and nails. All right, so just give me a minute to get set up, and you can watch as I apply this to her hair. All right, so as I said, Haley's a couple months into the curly girl method. Up top is really straight, but underneath is usually really springy, for lack of a better word. But with the weather lately, it's kind of lost its luster. You can see those curls under there. So this protein mask is going to help restore that sproing and to help the top transition as well. So I am using a hair color brush and getting some mask on there and doing like you would if you're coloring the hair. You can go, or you can just use your hands if you want. I'm just going to really coat all her hair with this mask. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to wrap her head in plastic wrap. OMG. Because she is 9 and she wants to be able to play, and she's cleaning her toy room right now. So this way she will not get this everywhere. And also, it helps to keep the heat from her head in, which helps to activate the mask and helps the hair to absorb the nutrition and protein from this mask. Okay, one more. Whoa, dropping stuff everywhere. All right, so that's gonna sit for about ½ an hour, and then we'll rinse it out. All right, coming back. Okay, so now it's my turn too. My hair is in a very wonky stage right now. As you can see, my curls are kind of not nice. So hence why I'm doing the mask to my hair as well. So I'm going to use the exact same mask. If you're wondering why I put honey in there, so the avocado and the egg white obviously adds protein. Then the honey helps to draw moisture into your hair. So I'm going to fast forward past this too, so you don't have to watch the whole boring thing. Here we go. Okay, now, if you don't have one of these brushes, just go ahead and use your hands. Do like you would with your gel, kind of emulsify it. Get your praying hands going and just mix it on. If you want to know where to buy one of those brushes though, I just bought mine at Sally Beauty. Most places that sells like hair color kits, you can buy them there. But good old-fashioned hands can work too. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and wash my hands before I wrap my hair. Okay, so once again, you want to make sure you really wash your hands well because there's raw eggs in that and you don't want to have that all up in your business. Okay, back on. Now I'm going to wrap my hair like I did Haley's. I have to wash my hands again there. Alright, so I'm secure. We'll just come back in about half an hour to rinse me and Haley out. We'll go from there, okay? God, I'm cute, right? So while this is sitting, I just wanted to let you guys know that one of the reasons that I put rose petals in the mask is because rose petals are actually very nourishing to your hair follicles. They contain tons of antioxidants and natural oils that help your hair to retain moisture, and it also helps to stimulate hair growth. If you didn't know before, now you know. Here comes the star. The more you know. So you saw my hair before the mask. Sorry, this is a little wonky. So you saw my hair before the mask. This is my hair after the mask. As you can see, my curls are much more springy. So what I did after the mask rinsed out, I did my usual co-wash and condition with the scrunching after. And now you can see my curls look much healthier than they did at the beginning of this video. So now I'm going to do my plop. That's where I take a t-shirt and I plop my curls on it. Use a t-shirt because it helps to prevent, frizz. And it absorbs the excess moisture while not messing with your curls. Sorry, I know you can't see me right now. Maybe this is preferable for you. So I just do that, and then I do that. And there we are. My curls are beautifully plopped on top of my head, and there they will stay for the next half hour or so. Okay, so you saw my hair at the beginning of this video, and this is after the protein mask and my curly girl stuff, and it looks wet, but it's not because I have my gel cast on right now. And I've decided that I'm going to actually sleep with my hair in a plop, and I'm not going to break the gel cast till morning, so I'll take a picture of that later and upload that to my Facebook, which is facebook.com/themascarageek. So look for that picture on there, and on Instagram is @mascarageek, and on Twitter, of course, it's @themascarageek. But I'm super happy. Like, look how you saw, again, y'all saw my hair at the beginning of this video. Look at it now. Like, whoa. Pretty luscious. I can't wait to show it to you after I've broken the gel cast tomorrow. Pretty pleased. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Visit mascarageek.com. Bye.